Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your go-to spot for clear, insightful cryptocurrency analysis. Today is November 26, 2024, and the markets have been buzzing with activity. Let's dive into today's biggest movers and discuss what could be around the corner for tomorrow. Starting with Bitcoin, the king of crypto saw some choppy action today. After opening at $36,200, it climbed to $36,800 in the early hours but struggled to maintain momentum. By mid-afternoon, we saw a pullback to $35,900, which could be a crucial level to watch heading into tomorrow. Trading volume has been consistent, signaling that buyers and sellers are locked in a tug-of-war. Ethereum, meanwhile, had a more stable day, hovering around the $1,920 mark. It's been consolidating in a tight range, and that usually means a bigger move might be brewing. Keep an eye on $1,950 resistance and $1,880 support as we move forward. Now, let's shift gears to some altcoins making waves. Solana bounced back today, climbing 4% to reach $58. This rally comes on the back of positive news from a major decentralized finance project building on its network. Chainlink continued its steady climb, gaining 2.7%. Its Oracle integrations have been a hot topic, and the increasing adoption is showing up in the charts. On the other hand, XRP had a tough day, slipping 3% as legal uncertainties continue to cloud its outlook. Big news today on the regulatory front. The SEC announced it's delaying a decision on several spot Bitcoin ETF applications. This has investors on edge because the approval, or rejection, of these ETFs could set the tone for institutional involvement in 2025. On a brighter note, the European Union passed legislation to encourage blockchain development, which could be a long-term bullish signal for the market. Alright, let's look ahead to November 27th. For Bitcoin, $36,000 will be key support. If we see a break below this level, $35,500 could be the next stop. However, if bulls can push above $37,000, we might see a run toward $37,500 before the week is out. For Ethereum, the levels to watch are $1,950 on the upside and $1,880 on the downside. A breakout could attract a wave of buyers, but failure to hold support might drag it toward $1,850. As for altcoins, keep your eyes on Solana. If it can break $60 tomorrow, it could ignite further bullish momentum. A couple of events to keep on your radar for tomorrow: FOMC minutes release. Even though it's not directly crypto-related, market-wide risk sentiment could shift based on this report. Ethereum network upgrade, slated for early tomorrow. This could lead to heightened volatility in ETH. Also, watch out for Bitcoin's funding rate and open interest levels. Any sudden spikes might signal big moves ahead. That's a wrap for today's analysis. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think will happen tomorrow. Remember, the crypto market moves fast, so stay informed and trade responsibly. I'll see you tomorrow for another deep dive. Until then, keep your eyes on the charts and stay sharp.